GT2 CS. Oh, but why it's making noise?
That's a race car.
Ah, okay. There it is. Yes, I'm driving an NSX. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog. In case we missed one yesterday, sorry, sometimes don't have time to film every single day. Speaking of time, right now it is 2:30 and it is today Destination Nürburgring track day, which was also a I think it's Need for Speed vibe, or is it Tokyo Drift? I don't remember. Anyway, it was also yesterday, the Destination Nürburgring track day. I have some invites to drive some very cool cars where I'm going right now, but I've been skipping last 1.5 days because either the weather was too bad, it was raining. I love wet laps, but for content it makes unfortunately very little sense because only very hardcore group of you guys appreciate wet laps. And aside from that, I was also extremely busy with all kinds of other stuff. We have some really cool stuff in development. That's like a typical influencer thing to say, like, hey, we have so much cool stuff and you're gonna find out, I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But yeah, it's unfortunately that's really how it is. So anyway, let's go to the track, do some car spotting. We are almost at, yeah, we're almost at 10,000 kilometers. Actually, we need to get winter tires. I told already to you last time, so let's go. Not sure if the camera is catching it, but as I now arrived to the overflow car park, it started to rain, so great. So quick car spotting, nice plate, nice plate. Ooh, look at that, GT2 CS. Is that the car of a friend of mine that we've been trying to do a lap in for the last like 20 years or so? Well, not literally 20 years, but definitely literally 5 years or more, possibly more, probably more. Yeah. Alright, ended up having a very long talk with Nige in this new Pinderwagen, the R8. And now let's do actually some car spotting. Oh, but oh, it's making some noise. Why it's making noise?
That's a race car.
Ah, okay. Alright. Sounds good. This one is back from a fix, but we'll tell you more about it later on, because this is actually something interesting. It's basically 1M with S65 V8 in it. That's why you can hear the traditional V8 sound of an E92, but it's not an E92. It's something else. Oh, fancy interior. That looks nice. That looks very, very cool. And the sound, of course, underneath. Maybe you can hear it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. Did you bring some chivapi? Or kaimak?
We have something.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
What, surströmming?
Some pork.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so Goran with his... did you do sub 7 already?
No, 701 unfortunately.
Because you're a bird killer. That's not what they mean when they say go catch a bird.
Yes, but it was a Falcon, so good thing is he flies 300 and I'm faster than him.
It's not Black Falcon, was it? It was Brown Falcon.
It's brown Falcon. It's a dead Falcon now.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe insert picture or video here. Sincerely apologize to PETA and Greenpeace. That's definitely not cool, but stuff like that happens on the ring. So yeah, the car is okay. Very sad about the bird, obviously. But yeah, there is that. Alrighty, let's check what else is here. Ooh, that looks sexy. Love it. Still absolutely love a 996. Another 996. Hello. No way!
Yes way!
No way! Okay, what's broken this time?
Me! It's fast now!
Okay.
It's awesome. We've got check out in the back shelf.
Oh, you got a wing.
No, on the plastic shelf.
Oh! Moton. Nice.
They are
very
good upgrade, man.
Very good. Very good.
Brake into bumpy corners and all that good stuff.
All the trail braking.
Oh, man, yeah.
Yeah.
Now drives like a 996 should.
Yes, spicy. It's like, why you have no backseat? Because rear suspension.
Absolutely.
That's a very good
thing.
thing.
The only excuse for it.
Yeah. Amazing. Well, enjoy your laps. See ya. My dear friend Al Clark, very famous in the car world, automotive content creator, but not a YouTuber. No, he does YouTube videos. Very cool about how he shot the Bugatti commercial, so you can actually figure out what he's doing. Other than that, it's quite empty because I guess most of the cars are on track, and I have like 1 more hour left to do some laps. So let's see if I can find the car that I'm supposed to drive today. Wherever Oh, I think that's one of them.
Misha, you alright?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, mate.
When we're doing a lap?
Whenever you're ready. I've just come out, so it's a bit of fuel, but
Okay,
fit in.
go get the fuel and I'll see you here.
Yeah.
Alright, see you in a bit. A proper time attack Honda.
Are you looking for the NSX?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm Davey, I'm with
Hi.
John today.
Okay.
I'll give him a call. I think he's out on track now.
Ah, okay, yeah, I tried calling him but didn't reach, but that would be nice, yeah.
Brilliant.
If we can find him. Yes, I'm driving NSX, at least trying to. I hope it's dry. Oh, speaking of the devil, there it is. That was my taxi when I went to Podium and some other car meets in UK earlier this year. A 458. Oh, that was convenient.
That was handy, wasn't it?
She's so fine. And she as well. The NSX was absolutely mental. The fact, I mean, of course, it's not as fast as a GT3 RS, and maybe not as fast as an STO, definitely with some mods on it because that one is modified. But come on, it's really something unique. The car had a bit of a soft suspension. The brakes were probably also tired after 3 consecutive track days, but emotion, seating position, handling for a 30-year-old car everything is spot on. For Lambo fans out there, we can show you a bit of a fancy exhaust over here. Yep, some silencers because every STO is just simply way too loud. Oh, the cats are moved to the back, so that's nice. You can see them glow from the back. Very, very nice. And then, what else do we have? We have AMG, we have a Mini, we have another, still STO. We have another R8 V10, not the Pinderwagen. 992 GT3. Alright, see you in a bit.
Cheers, yeah.
So I was just offered to drive. We'll have to be in TF, which is not a bad thing at all, but the drive at 22B. The best track day ever. Okay, let's have a look also at some other cars that we'll be driving. I messaged you, but I didn't find you.
Yeah, no, it's alright.
So we'll do it in a bit then, or maybe.
Yeah, well, it's just red flag, but the M4's just crashed right in front of me.
Yeah, but it was also wet, so it's red flag because it was the end of the day.
Oh.
So I mean, we can do TF or we can do it on the weekend.
Yeah.
Let's do the weekend maybe or something.
I was going to say.
Okay, easier, yeah, okay. See ya, bye-bye. Hi.
It's Scott with the Suzuki.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, perfect. It started to rain, so the track is wet now, so maybe it's better if we do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Yeah, sure, man.
Because, yeah.
I'll do a couple of laps today. And then
Yeah, have a look.
Just message you again tomorrow.
If it dries out today, maybe we can do it today, but I would aim for tomorrow.
Are you going to be around here if it's dry? Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I'll be
I live
around
here
here.
anyway.
Nice to
So.
meet you, man.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Spoke to you a few months ago.
Yeah.
You were going to take my GT3 RS out, but you told me it was going to be suicide with the cup twos and the fucking wet, so we said,
Yes.
we'll do it
Good.
next time. Fuck that, man. And I've experienced it now. It's a fucking new fear unlocked.
Yes. Yeah.
That shit.
Yeah, I know, I can imagine. Alright, well, I'll see you around, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. So here we have a car. There we have a man that belongs to that car, but he's too busy. He's doing all the business so he is able to afford that car, basically. Or maybe he's on his phone to his missus, because otherwise he won't be allowed to drive that car here.
Just done a new PB as well. I think
Oh.
it was in the 720. So.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh, that he's calling to his missus to tell her that he's done a PB. That's what it is. I don't know if I'm doing intro of that car because we're going out in it, but I think we're gonna do it on a separate time. I think by now it's just kind of an outro of a DN track day. So we'll tell you more about that on the channel later on in the future. So there is that. But yeah, very fast, very cool, very exciting. Let's go find Darren and say thank you and goodbye for a fantastic track day. I tried to go find Darren to say thank you and goodbye, but he's doing track inspection currently, so here's one more last shot of some car spotting of the day. M4 CSL It doesn't look stock, with some fat Nankang tires, CRS, and also different wheels, but other than that I don't know what else it might have. So on that note, and 355, thank you so much for a fantastic day. I'm gonna go back to Vulcan now and edit some videos and do some stuff, and then come back to do a lap with 22B. Woo! Hope it's gonna dry up kinda, but then again, there's no such thing as a bad weather with 22B. So let's go. Ah, pops and bangs, yay! Fantastic, beautiful, fabulous. Not.